Dave Snyder here. It is 16th day of February 2015, 6:58 p.m. And I don't know, a few hours ago, I guess it was probably a few hours ago. You can see what I'm looking at right here. This pattern right here. We all know what that's going to be, right? So, anyways, save this image of this crater, or here I am saying crater. Save this image of this pattern, this weather pattern here, and I took it to Google Earth. This was a couple hours ago, though, so it's changed just a little bit, very little. All right, take this one away. Okay, here it is. Now I tried to align it to Mare Oriental, but something told me. Oh, after I did that, I seen this because I have Mare Oriental up here all the time, and what happened was I seen this right here, and I just moved it over to line up with that curve in the ocean floor right there. And then look at this. Look at all this right here. Watch. And all this right here fits right along that edge. So my first thought was, oh damn! Now everything that I've been doing is like off a few, like off a few thousand miles, or no, 1,000 miles or whatever. I don't know, not a few. I'm saying it's off, a little bit. But then I thought about it and I said, bring up a couple things first, check it out. Brought that up, and there's no way that fit there into that pattern. Didn't seem like, right? And then actually it does kind of, but then I brought up the other one. Remember, in my last video I showed that this is the one that came up, how the program put it up first, put it up over here around. I should bring up Mare Oriental. I gotta bring that up so people know what I'm showing. If I don't bring that up, no one will know. Mare Oriental reversed on the Earth, over the Earth, right here. This is a big crater on the side of the moon, and this is how the program aligned it. The weather that one day, first time I moved it to the center. But watch this. If you look at this one without Mo, you can see the match. So I can see the match, the curve, everything is there in this pattern here. Comes in curves like this, but this part matches very well. There's the center of this. It's always the center. You can see like a center right here, and you see this bulge, the curved bulge on the edge there. Lines. It just fell into place that way. I'm just saying it fell into place that way. So there's like two alignments that you can see, like it's the edge right here. It just happened to align with that edge just perfectly. And you see this round spot here. Look at that. I never noticed that before. Look at that. See that right there? Watch. Oh, that's interesting. Because that's the Eye of Horus right there. This is the Eye of Horus weather pattern, basically, up here in the North Pacific. It's part of it. I don't know. It presents itself in a few different ways, but that's pretty interesting, I must say. See that same shape right there? It's like clear in this one, and then you look at this one. It's wow. Very interesting. We see how it how it goes up. Look at this right here. It goes up, and this is, you can see where this was. This was up here in this area here. Saved from Wonder Maps right here. Now we're starting to see Schrodinger in there. That's starting to show Schrodinger right there. See that? The lunar South Pole print. That's what that's starting to show. But they're chopping it all up. You can see what they're doing with this here. This used to be the place where the weather would always shut down. Actually, right here, it would shut down this whole area, this whole strip right here. Winter Map sent me a survey, and I filled it out. They asked me what I thought. I said, change it back. I know what you guys are hiding. Stop it. Yeah, that's pretty good alignment. I mean, that right there, that where I showed you how it is over the ocean floor, that was kind of cool the way it fell into place that way. Right here shows the part of Papua New Guinea there. I think that was pretty nice. Just lined up. I just seen that curve and I said, I wonder if that goes with that curve, because I know it goes in that area. And then you see this line, just go across just about right. Yeah, that corn cuts down. This curve you can see right there, it's just a little bit off. It goes right over that right there. That's pretty nice. And you can see the whole shape of Papua New Guinea there, where it curves up and then comes over like this part right here. You can see it in the weather right there. This part here, and it comes back up. You see the same thing, goes back up. Interesting. And you can also see the dip down right here. It dips down. Very nice. Fits right in here. This area you can see that whole weather pattern fits right in that spot on the ocean floor. That's the impact right there. Boom, look at that right there in the center. Right there. There's one there. And there's one over here. And there's one up here. There's a few of them in this area. Nice. Just thought I'd share that. I mean, that's just another one of the patterns you can see. We can all see these real clear. These are very visible. It's this shape. All you gotta do is look for that in the weather. That shape. It'll fit in this crater every time. It'll fit in Mare Oriental every time. I don't care. Definitely will fit every time. I think I put another picture of Mare Oriental up here. Oh, and it fit different too. This was a different alignment. Look at this. This was look at this. This is a different alignment, and it fits pretty good like this. Let's check this out over this. I haven't done that yet. Let's see. Turn this down. I don't think that's right. I don't know. I'll look into that one. I gotta still look into that one. That part of that. I think it fits this better if I turn it sideways, actually. But like I said, I'll look into it. All right. Have a good one.